Assalamualaikum. For this video, I will show the solution for the question 5. The question 5 is, in Klang Valley, about 7% of the solution in the city of Kuala Lumpur moved to its surrounding cities each year, and about 5% of the surrounding cities' population moved into the city of Kuala Lumpur. In 2012, there were 8 million residents in the Klang Valley and 1.5 million in the city of Kuala Lumpur. The question is, estimate the populations in the city of Kuala Lumpur and its surrounding cities after 1 year and 3 years respectively. Okay, from the question, we can take up all the information given, which are at Klang Valley said that 8 million. The city of Kuala Lumpur were represented with at 1.5 million. So how you said that Klang Valley 8 million and the city of Kuala Lumpur 1.5 million. So but the question is said that Kuala Lumpur, the city of Kuala Lumpur and its surrounding cities, which are, that means the question didn't ask for the Klang Valley but asked for the city of Kuala Lumpur and its surrounding cities. So we need to find in 2012 how much the number of residents around the city. So the surrounding city represent by Y. Y as we know that the Klang Valley and the Kuala Lumpur is the one of the city in the Klang Valley. So how we get the surrounding cities, which are Klang Valley, and we minus with city of Kuala Lumpur, and we will get the surrounding cities. So here 8 million minus 1.5 million, we get 6.5 million. Okay, here we get the 6.5 million for the surrounding cities. Okay, next, the other information we can get, which is you said that 7% of the population in the city of Kuala Lumpur move to surrounding cities each year, which is each year, year by year, the number of population will move 7% of the number resident that have each year. So here we can see 7% we multiply with X, which is X represented by Kuala Lumpur. We plus with Y is surrounding cities. While the next information is 5%. So 5% we multiply with Y, which is Y surrounding city, plus X, which is city of Kuala Lumpur. So I write like this because and A, and we also get the information which is when the city of Kuala Lumpur represent X plus by surrounding cities represent Y, we can get the Klang Valley. So we can write the equation with X plus Y equals to A1, which is Klang Valley, and 7% multiply with X plus Y, we get A2 which is the new number of population for next year, the other next year, and add the surrounding cities, while X plus 5% multiplied by Y, we can get 80. This is the new population that we will get for the city of Kuala Lumpur the other next year. So the question is estimate the population after 1 year. First we see the after 1 year. So we use the linear transformation. Consider the linear transformation, which is linear transformation takes vectors in R2 and outputs as vector in RT. So first uh, we write the transformation of E1 equal to this matrix the vector. The vector we can get from the equation previously. We use E1 since the linear transformation takes element in R2, then we know that E1 is going to be a vector of length 2. So that's why we use E1 as 1 and 0 and E same to as E2 0 1. we we also have E2 because the information involving E2 and next because of this only two column use two column, so we just use E1 and E2. So same with the transformation of E2, we get the factor from the previous equation, which is 0.05. Okay, it is this column we need to put the linear transformation operation, which is TE1, TE2, and like we get TE1 is 0.07 and 1. We write this 0.071 and TE2 0.05, 0.05. So we get this as standard metric representation of T. So next, we want to find A1, A2, and A3. The function linear transformation takes vectors in R2 and output vectors in RT is defined as, okay, we know that the formula is TV T vectors equals to AV equals to the matrix 0.07, 0.05, close and XY. So here where I can get this is this we get from A, is A, and this V is XY. So the output is A1, A2, A3 where we need to find this. So here we can see that the transformation take vectors in R2 and we get the outputs in RT. So okay, to find A2 and A3, given that X, here we can see the previous X is 1.5 million, while Y is 6.5 million. So V is X and Y, right? So we write this form 1.5 million, common 6.5 million. So we put it into this matrix and put X and Y, which is TV equals to AV equals to this question. Okay, the matrix is 3, 2 and matrix 3, 2 and 2, 1. So we see that the center is same. So we can get T1 matrix, T1 matrix, column 3, 1 row. So we multiply 1.5 multiply the first column plus with the second and not 6.5 multiply with second column, and we can get this. So here we can get the answer, which is 8,6.605 million, 1.825 million. So we can estimate that after 1 year, estimated the population in the city of Kuala Lumpur is 1.825 million, while the population of the surrounding cities is 6.605 million. Okay, next, the second question is after 3 years. Okay, we know that each year the increasing number of movement is for the to Kuala Lumpur to the surrounding cities is 7%. So after 3 years, that means each year they estimate that 7% each year will move. So after 3 years, that means we multiply the 7% with 3, we can get 20%. And we just do the same like previous previous question, but we just change this increasing percentage. Same with the fifth equation. The number of population is from its surrounding move to city of Kuala Lumpur is 5%. So after 3 years, it mean we multiply with 3, we can get 15%. So here we just uh, we just have two equation. So we consider the linear transformation, which is linear transformation take vectors in R2 and output also in R2, in vectors R2. So it's same like before. Uh, we need to find TE1, TE2, and we need to find A, the standard metric representation of transformation. So here, sorry, it's my fault. Okay, so here we can see the function the linear transformation takes vectors in R2 and output also in vectors R2 is defined as this. So we use the x and y, same x and y, and we here we can see that matrix 2 by 2 and matrix 2 by 1. So the center is 2 by 2, so we can get 2 matrix 2 1, and the final answer we can get the matrix 2 1. So here we multiply first 1.5 with first column plus with 6.5 with second column. So we can get the answer, which is B1 we get 6.815 million and B2 we get 2.575 million. So we can conclude that after 3 years, estimated the population in the city of Kuala Lumpur is 2.57 million, while the population of the surrounding cities is 6.815 million. So that's all from me. Thank you.